Switch statements make your code cleaner by replacing long if-else chains. They are perfect when you want to check one variable against multiple specific values. The classic syntax looks like this. You have a switch, and then you have the cases for the switch parameter. The modern C# also offers switch expressions for a shorter, cleaner approach. In this case, you would have the result, and then the parameter, switch, and then inside curly brackets, you have the cases. And also for each case, you also return a value. As you can see, here we don't have the break. So use the switch statement when comparing one variable to specific values. For complex conditions or ranges, stick with if-else statements.